I think it is amazing. Last year I thought it opened a whole world of new jobs that I didn't even know existed, and then this year I thought I understood quite a bit and I was blown away all over again. I love how it's a collection of people that are creating new jobs and paving new pathways for others to be able to follow.
So what's your pathway? What are you passionate about in horticulture?
My sort of core is design, and so I'm passionate about, in particular I'm interested at the moment in aged care, and I'd like to be able to design for aged care facilities. But as sort of my interests change, I want to be able to use horticulture and design as my way of expressing whatever I am interested in. I'm not too sure.